Hi, I'm Chirag from CP Utility Solutions, and I'm here today with the Professional Heating and Plumbing Installer magazine, and we're going to be fitting one of these ActivFlo water conditioners. The reason why we're fitting it today is because we're at a property in London. London suffers from hard water, and the water conditioner is going to help combat the limescale build-up in your kitchen, all around the house. So let's come inside, let's get this fitted and see what we're going to do. The first job we need to do is obviously turn the water off, so let's go ahead and do that. And now we're going to open up all the taps in the property and just make sure that we drain as much water out, because we are still going to have water left in this low level pipework. So we want to get rid of as much of it as possible before we cut into it, so that we only have a minimal amount of water to collect. Because it's a bit of a mishmash here, I'm going to probably shoot an elbow across this way, fit the water conditioner against this wall, join this back up, and then come off of it and then tee back into this. So try and make it as neat as possible, but we've got to play the hand that we're dealt, unfortunately. The ActivFlo comes in both a 15mm and a 22mm option, but if you want to keep one as van stock, I'd recommend having the 22mm one with the 15mm reducing set, so that if you go to a job and you want to upsell to your customer the benefits, you know that you've got one that will fit anywhere. The ActivFlo, it does have a flow direction. It's clearly indicated on the actual device itself, so you can't get it wrong. It's got patented catalytic alloy. Now this treats the water by converting the calcium and the bicarbonate ions into aragonite crystals. There's no salts, no chemicals, no additives required, so this means it's environmentally friendly with the water treatment. There's no power supply needed as well, so it just works without electricity for ease and sustainability. And finally, it provides whole house protections. It's not just a point of use item. This says belt and braces. I always put paste on compression fittings just to make sure that we don't have any leaks. In terms of the build quality, it's got a stainless steel housing, which makes it durable and corrosion resistant. It's a fit and forget design, which makes it low maintenance and it gives you long-term peace of mind. The life expectancy is over 20 years and it comes with a 15-year warranty. You can't ask for more than that. I should hear a little crack as it splits the brass. Okay, so this is our incoming cold main coming into this lever valve. It's then shooting across to the wall here, got a drain cock on there, going through the ActivFlo. That's then coming down here and then connecting back onto the rest of the house. So the ActivFlo is fitted, it's already working, and one of the biggest benefits that we can see straight away is that it's going to stop the limescale build-up in the kettle. So it means once this has been descaled, they won't have to do it again. I would give myself 60 to 90 minutes to install one of these. It all depends on the layout of the pipework, the access to the cold main, etc. But the slip socket made it very easy to install. Where you're normally going to be installing this on rigid, horizontal or vertical pipework, you're not going to have much play in the pipework. So having a slip socket means you can slip it on, push it all the way back to one end, get it in position and then slip it back onto where you need it to go. It doesn't get rid of the limescale completely, but what it does, it changes the molecular structure of the limescale as it passes through. So what that means, it makes it easier for it to wipe off your appliances. It doesn't let the limescale actually stick. It's going to be floating around and it's easy to wipe off or wash away. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you'd like more information, be sure to click the link in the description below. And also, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you all on the next video.